Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the moving vlogs. I feel like this vlog is kind of already just like all over the place, which is moving. There's no avoiding it. So I wanted to start off this vlog and just say thanks for tuning in to my moving vlogs. I'm going to announce where I'm moving very soon. I'm gonna sneak it into a video. So you have to watch all of them because you know, we're gonna string this along as possible. I have seen some people guess it, but not as many people as I was thinking were gonna guess it. So drop your guess down below and I'm gonna give something away to the person that guesses it. Not first, but like just a random person that guesses it. So if that gives you incentive to guess, because I think this is so fun. Like, where do I look like I would live? Because I don't feel like I would live in Texas. I mean, I grew up in Texas if you're new here, so it's not Texas. I'm not going back to Texas. Not yet, at least. Sorry, Mom. Anyway, your guess is down below. And yeah, so this vlog is essentially me packing up the apartment, getting things organized, taking you guys along for the journey. And there is a ton more coming. So definitely subscribe if you're not already, but make sure that you don't miss out on all of the content that's about to be coming your way. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Also, I feel like I haven't been super clear about certain things. So if you have any questions about anything, just leave it down below and I can obviously answer in the comments. But yes, I'm moving in less than 2 weeks. When you're watching this, it will be even less than that. So yeah, I have a ton of stuff I need to donate today and bring to Goodwill, but I don't think it's open today because today is actually Easter and I'm here without my family. This is my first Easter without them, but it's impossible to go home for every single holiday. So I already have a lot going on right now. So we're just staying.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you know what it is. Rest in peace, Mac, don't trip. Try to thank Coda for the hit. Hobby turn a hobby to legit. Now we body every bit. Still a bougie bitch talking that bullshit. So why you throwing shade on me? Cause I just do my thing low key. But naked while I'm doing Tai Chi. Never met a motherfucker like me. Yeah, man, what's up? We don't really got no crystal ball. Shut the fuck up. I don't wanna hear that shit at all. You too stuck up, but ain't no.
So I was gonna pack all of these like already put together, but then I remembered you can like easily take them apart. So I'm thinking maybe I take them apart so I can flatten them and then I'll have more space because the movers charge based on how many boxes that you have. So I feel like I could flatten these down and fit like all of them because I already have so many. Also ignore that it's all Poshmark, but yeah, we're gonna try that. Yeah, I feel like this is so much more compact. So now I have to do it to literally all of them. Yeah, this was a genius idea, actually. I'm listening to the morning toast because I didn't get to listen to it yesterday during work. So I'm listening to it now and I just love the morning toast.
Problem, ain't no problem that I could've solved. Always on a trip, always into some shit. Gotta be that zone. Rose gold for me Sohos. With my chicos like Topo. Say, won't you kick it with some logos? Babe, lot of winning on this side. We don't fuck with that side. Pussy got a rap vibe. Boy, that shit blessed. Get the piece for the black guy, not a contest. Keep the vibes high, not a parachute vest. I'm a free fall, you could call it like a ref. Hey, $1 million bet. I'm a better on the music, no sweat. On guard if you're ready for the action.
So I do have like 2 weeks left of work and just like living here, so I'm not gonna pack all of my clothes, but I'm gonna pack like things I know I won't wear. And I left out the shoes that like I wear most often. So yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to get like ahead of it a little bit, because last time I moved, I feel like I pushed it off and then I was like very stressed last minute. So I'm gonna pack up the things that I know I like don't wear as often.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. Ticket, I want you in my life. I feel a mile high when you're on my side. High up in the sky, cruising through the night. Follow the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice, hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like it's mile high when you're on my side. High up in the sky, cruising through the night. In the backyard of your old farm in the summer, stayed there for 3 weeks, where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the goddamn. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. In your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause the new songs are way better.
Okay, here's the after of the closet. I packed one huge large box, but I feel like you cannot even tell. So I need to get more boxes because I ran out, but I basically just like left like the things I wear most often and the things that like I'll need. But I feel like I probably left too much, but I would rather leave too much than have to dig through boxes. But I need to pack more of my sweatshirts. A lot of them are dirty right now because I just got back from my trip and I wear crew necks and sweatshirts religiously. And then I have like my swimsuits up there and all of my hats, which I have too many hats. And then all of my active wear is down here. But you guys know I work out constantly, so I'm probably just gonna leave this for now because I know that this is like my most worn part of my wardrobe. So anyway, and then Poshmark, I need to list some of these, but I always wash them first, so it kind of like delays the process, but it looks like more than it is, if I'm being honest. But I need to do something about that. And then this is a laundry hamper that I use just for my active wear because I wash them separately because it like helps maintain their life. I just have this in here to put them in so they don't get like mixed into the regular laundry. So, and then my most worn shoes. And yeah, I feel like my closet still looks full, but it'll do for now. Also, I have this shirt from Zara that I purchased like over the summer and they left the sensor on it like inside, and I have yet to bring it back to have them take it off because it's such a pain to like drive to a store, and Zara is like 25 minutes from me and I don't even really shop at Zara that often anymore. So I'm leaving that there to remind myself to bring it and have them take it off, because what's the point? They shipped it to me like in the mail, or else I obviously would have noticed in the store. And I brought it to Target because I guess if you show proof of purchase for like any store, you could bring it to Target and they'll take it off. But their sensor thing doesn't work on these, so I also tried to use a fork. So that's annoying. Thanks, Zara. Anyway, this is the progress so far on all of the boxes. Also, we have these bins over here where we keep like our travel stuff, books, that kind of thing. So I have those kind of like packed up too, and I might just like use packing tape and seal them up. But update on this bed situation, Archie has like clawed the absolute heck out of it, so I'm probably gonna like sell it for super cheap on Facebook Marketplace, and if not, just donate it and take my loss. And then as far as the actual bed goes, I'm gonna keep like this pad for it, but the mattress itself I'm going to get rid of because it's just not worth paying the movers to move it. And also I feel like everyone that stays in this guest room complains that the bed is a full size, so I'd rather just like sell it and get a queen whenever I move. So yeah, that's the situation in here. Also, I made these 2 art pieces whenever I sprained my ankle over the summer, and I kind of hate them, so I'm probably just gonna throw them away, but they worked for the time being. Then I also have our Alex drawers here. These are all empty. I packed this up, and yeah, we also have a printer over there that doesn't work that I need to just donate, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, this is the current situation in this room. And then in the living room, everything's kind of a mess right now, but keeping the couch, keeping everything over here, probably gonna throw out the cat tree just because it like wobbles so much and I just don't feel like it's worth actually bringing. I bought it on Facebook Marketplace when we moved here, and it's always been like wobbly, and I tried to like tighten the like bolts on it and it just didn't work, so I got it for really cheap, so I'm just gonna donate it. And coffee table I'm selling because I just don't like having black in my space. I learned that the hard way because this used to be black and then I painted it, and I just like lighter colors because I feel like it's more of a soothing vibe. I don't know, but yeah, getting rid of this. I need to list it on Facebook Marketplace, and then keeping this chair. My desk I'm selling because I won't be working from home anymore in my new job, which stay tuned for that. So yeah, this is just a monitor from work that I'm going to return, and then I'm gonna sell the desk, and I'll probably just keep my keyboard and mouse, just, you know, for office things. But yeah, that's the current situation in the living room. Hello guys, I just got home from work like 20 minutes ago. I was on the phone with my Grammy, and it was so good to talk to her. Here's your reminder: if you're like having like a weird day, just call like a grandparent or a friend or like someone that like always like cheers you on, because it made me feel so good, and I just miss her, and it just reminds me like how much my family means to me. So anyway, that's my tidbit. I wanted to show you guys my outfit that I wore to corporate America today. Jacket is from American Threads. Top is Aritzia. It's like my favorite white like basic long sleeve, and then pants are American Threads as well, and I wore my Reeboks, but I took my shoes off because I don't wear my shoes inside because I'm a germaphobe. But anyway, I kind of went ham last night, and I started packing stuff in the kitchen. I also did my nails. I use Gel X extensions at home, and I do it myself. And I feel like I've come such a long way after like teaching myself, and I'm just so proud. So yeah, this is the current Manny situation. And I don't know what I'm gonna pack up next. I'm trying to pack up things we don't really use. So I put like our vacuum sealer, like food thing in here, waffle maker, like some juicing stuff, because I don't think I'll be making juice in the next 10 days. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna start packing more, but I'll show you guys the progress in here. Yeah, we've definitely got some more boxes going on. And then this bed I stripped all the sheets off of because I'm gonna list it for sale, and I need to, like, I already washed it because my brother came. So this is just kind of a wreck right now. But yeah, I also packed up pretty much this whole bathroom. I have clothes like hanging to dry here, but all of these drawers are empty, which there wasn't a lot in here to begin with, but there's like nothing now, just like the essentials like toilet paper and some cleaning supplies and like this bath mat. And yeah, this is all empty now, so we can check this room off the list. I also have more boxes, but you know, yesterday was Easter, so it's been kind of crazy. And then I went into the office today. I love my new glasses. I think they're so cute. Maybe I'll order another color. I'll link them down below. They're like super lightweight. Sometimes I feel like if the frames are too heavy, they like push on my ear and it gives me a headache. So definitely recommend. I think they're like $15. Yeah, that's the current situation. Hi. Oh, you are so super sweet and cute. I love him. Did you have a good day? Yeah. Archie, are you hungies? Are you hungry for dinner? Hi, baby. No clawing on the pants. Well, you're so sweet.